How can we fix no valid QR code detected on your WhatsApp on the web or the WhatsApp desktop version? Hey everyone, and welcome back. If you're having this error whereby you cannot scan the QR code as it is not detected as valid from your mobile scan. So in that case, here are the solutions that you can opt for. So the very first option would be clearing all of the linked devices from your Android. So for this, go to Android and click on the three dots from the top right corner. Then go to link devices and manually remove each and every of them. Once that is done, you can try to again scan the QR code. Likewise, for the next option, you have to install the latest version of WhatsApp on your Android as well as the desktop version. This may also fix the issues encountered during the QR code. Likewise, also make sure you have a strong internet connection as it is another common reason that the invalid QR code error message is popping up. However, if it does not work, try to clear your browser cache as well. In order to do so, open a new tab and then tap on the three dots on the top right corner. Now from the list, click on Settings, and once the page is open, go to Privacy and Security. Now click on Clear Browsing Data and select the options from both Basic and Advanced. Tap on Clear Data and then you can go back to the WhatsApp page. Reload the QR code and try to scan it, and the issue should probably be fixed. If it does not, you can try using a different browser as well. However, if none of the solutions work, you have to contact the WhatsApp support. Open a new tab and type in WhatsApp contact support and hit the enter button. It will open its official website and you can click on the first link. Hereby, you can fill in the form which contains details regarding your phone number, email address, issue, and the message box. Make sure to explain the issue properly and tap on next. And this way, the issue should be fixed. So that is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.